What's up, guys? So I have been trying to learn this ankle technique for well over 2 years now. I even bought a double bass pedal, which is the Pearl Demon Drive, and a throne and a practice pad before I even got a whole drum set. So I was trying to learn the kick stuff before I even got the drum set, and still I'm having a lot of trouble with it. One of the key things I wanted to point out to you guys is the pre-swing and I guess your pedal settings, but we're not going to talk about the pedal settings today. Mainly I want to focus on this pre-swing part, because this pre-flex, pre-swing has been the kind of the key to improving the way I play, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here in just a second. Alright, so as you can see, there's my double bass pedal, Pearl Demon Drive. Hope it'll focus. Sorry, I got a light down there just to spice things up a little bit, but yeah, man, this ankle technique has been a big struggle for me. Now, as you can see, I can do it. I've been playing for like 2 hours, so I'm definitely worn out. But I wanted to really talk to you guys about the pre-swing part. And when you focus on the pre-swing, that's when you're going to start to notice a difference. What the pre-swing is like. So let's just say like you're basically playing off the rebound of the pedal when you're doing the ankle technique, right? And the spring tension is what controls how much rebound you have. So you want a decently tight spring tension, not too tight. Like mine is, maybe if I can get down here. It's not even fully tight. It is just, I guess at the third mark on this pedal. I hope it focuses. It's kind of hard for me to see because I'm just using the camera like this. But anyways, you want it a pretty good tension, because you'll know when if it's too tight. When you put your foot on this thing, the beater will be like way back here. What you want is to adjust it to where it's tight enough to where when you put your foot on this, like I have my heel up, calf is flexed, kind of like, you don't really need to flex, but when you have your heel up like this, that means your weight is on the pedal. And what you want is for the beater to be like right there, not touching the head, but very close to the head. Some people say like put your drumstick there, and whenever your beater is at that place, that's where the drum tension is. I think I need to tighten mine up just a little bit more. But yeah, basically what the pre-swing is let me see if I can get a camera angle this. It's so your foot's resting, right? There's no tension on the pedal, there's no pressure on the pedal. The pre-swing is the initial lift up of your heel. So that right there, you see that the beater isn't hitting the head, but there is momentum pushed into the pedal. So your pre-swing is that. And then you play off of that rebound in order to, it's kind of hard to do it like that to show you, but you're going to, there we go, how to find the sweet spot. That pre-swing is going to get the momentum in, and then you're going to play off of that. Yeah, I'm sorry. Like I know the camera angle is a bit wonky and stuff. I'm just trying to show you what I'm talking about. My left foot still needs a lot of work, so it's like my even so, I lift up my foot, the beater's not hitting the head over there, and I just play off that rebound. But my foot is definitely the weaker foot, so So I know a lot of people struggle with the beginning strikes, or like how to start the angle technique. That's been my biggest problem for a long time. Like, see how you just kind of like twitch and flex right there, but you don't really know what you're doing. The reason you're doing that is because you're trying to make momentum out of nothing. So when you do this pre-swing, and it's still hard for me to do, but when you do that pre-swing, that's where your momentum comes from. So you have to catch it. You have to really focus on your feet and focus on catching that pre-swing. when I'm playing and I'm like my body's all into it and everything, it's much easier. But when I'm just doing it cold like this, it's definitely a lot more difficult. Yeah, sorry, it's like so much difficult to do it without actually playing the drums. But I just wanted to make this quick video. Maybe it'll help you out. So when you get behind the kit today, focus on that pre-swing. And when you realize, like, okay, I get it now, like the pre-swing is me lifting my foot up, and then the dropping is me actually playing. So and once you catch it, you can kind of just keep going, and you're just bouncing a basketball at this point. But yeah, it's that pre-swing that starts the momentum. It's like revving the engine, kind of, and then you just drop your heel and kind of catch it. You don't want to drop your heel all the way, but you're going to release that momentum, so that swing back is where you're going to push. Yeah, man, try this out. Let me know if it works, and leave a comment below if it did help you out. If you need more explaining, please let me know. I'll do a more in-depth video on it. I just really wanted to record this and post it and make sure that I get the information going. And if you guys got questions, please leave a comment. I will definitely make more videos talking about it. But yeah, man, this pre-flex thing is like, once I started focusing on it, it really started improving the way I play. And it's much easier when you're actually playing the drums. Maybe I can catch it real quick. No. Hold on. Let me see if I can yeah, so I know it's a rough video, man, but please just look into this when you're doing the ankle technique. Do the pre-flex, man. And it's going to help you out a lot. I guess some people call it burying the beater, but I think when you bury the beater, you always got the beater into the head. We're playing off the swing back once we release. So we push momentum in, releases the momentum, and then we catch it. And then it's like, imagine having a basketball up in the air instead of on the floor. Because if it's on the floor, you know, you gotta tap it a couple times to get it off the floor, and then you can bounce it. But if it's up in the air, you just let it drop, and then it bounces on its own, and then you just, you know, start dribbling after that. So kind of think of it that way. Yeah, double bass is difficult, man. But I hope this video helped you out. Please let me know if it did. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.